Hey friends, if the Google Chrome installer is stuck on waiting to download, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the interesting thing. We don't have the Google Chrome installer through the Microsoft Store, or that would have made our job way easier. But since Microsoft is a competitor company, you won't find Chrome in their list. So the only option is through the online installer. Now, if that doesn't work, then please restart your computer before anything else. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart it. The next one is to check the internet connection speed. Open the internet and go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then we can proceed further. The next solution is to uninstall antivirus from your computer. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps in the right pane, and if you notice any app that is an antivirus, I don't have a third party antivirus, but just click on these three dots, uninstall and uninstall once again. Basically, third party antivirus should be gone. And lastly, disable the firewall temporarily till you download and install Chrome. So search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. You can turn off Windows Defender Firewall and click on OK. It will be in red. Download Chrome, then click on this and then turn it on once again because a firewall is very important for your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.